Hello children, welcome back. This is Teacher Aura here with a new lesson in science, that is weather and seasons. Do you know why it is cloudy one day and bright and sunny the next day? Or in some places it snows and in some places it is very hot throughout the year? Let's learn more about weather and season. A year is made of 365 days. Children, do you know what is weather? The air that surrounds the earth is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. These changes are known as weather. When the weather remains the same for a long period, we call it seasons. Now let's learn what is season. In India, there are three main seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. Summer months are April, May and June. It is very sunny and hot during summer. We sweat a lot and feel thirsty. We wear light cotton clothes during summers. Cold drinks, juices and ice creams are enjoyed in this season. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners to keep our surrounding cool. Some people go to the beach and pool to have a swim to beat the heat. During summer, the wells, rivers and fields dry up. The days are longer and the nights are short. Monsoon season. Monsoon is the rainy season of India. Monsoon comes after the end of the summer season. It rains from July to September. The rivers and wells, which dried up in summer, fill up with water. We wear raincoats, gumboots or rainy footwear and carry umbrellas during this season. The rain brings relief to the farmer as the crops in the fields get water. Winter season. It is cold during the winter season. Cold wind blows. The sun is not as bright during the day as in summers. December, January and February are the winter months. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold. Blankets and quilts are used to keep us warm. Everybody likes to have hot water, hot food and hot baths during winter. In some places, there is snowfall during winter. Now let's have a look at the main points. Summer, winter and monsoon are the three important seasons in India. We have different types of weather on different days. When the weather remains the same for a long period, we call it season. Children, I'm sure you all understood what is weather and season and how many seasons are there in India. So with this, I end my session. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.